Hello guys, this is Rachel here. Welcome to GlobeNet Computer System. So today we are going to learn something about Tally, that is how to download Tally and how to create company. So here we start, go to the Google Chrome. Like if you don't have a direct link to download or something like that, you can just type. So you can just type Tally download. The first link what appears, you have to click on that is tallysolutions.com. Just click on it and your download. So you can see here it is getting downloaded. Basically this is the new version of Tally. Before we had Tally ERP, now we have as Tally Prime. There's a little bit changes in it, you can say in terms of animations or something like that, or in and in some features. Click on this Tally. See here, once we click on Tally, here the setup manager thing will appear. So to click on configure, right, okay, just check it once and then you're good to go. Accept. Okay, so as we are using this Tally Prime for educational mode, we have to click on the shortcut key is T, or you can just click on this button. If you are using for any business purpose and you have license to use Tally Prime, you can just go on use license from network, or you want to activate or reactivate the license, then you can just go to the following thing. So we are using for educational purpose right now, so it's T. So here how it starts with Tally Prime. This is the company where you get all the company details. The short form is K, which is appeared now. Then we have data, where we can back up the data, we can restore it. Then there is exchange. Then we have import, we have export, we have email thing over here, we have printout option, help option, and then go to. So first we'll see how to create a company. So here we start. So to create a company, first we need to click on company. So there are options like create company, select remote company, specify path, select from drive. So what we need to do is we have to create a company for now. So create company. So here we start company data path. This will be the same for everyone. The company name, suppose we take as GlobeNet system. Mailing address, you can take it as same, or if you want to change, you can just keep it as GlobeNet. Then address, you can just put any address. Suppose I take it XYZ. Then state Maharashtra, pin code number, where is this business located, or you can say where is this company located, you can do that as well. That is I can say it's 40023. You can just put telephone number, mobile number, fax number, email ID, website www.globenet.com. Then the financial year beginning from, it will be the same, 1st April to 20. Then we have books beginning from, it is the date when your business is starting or when you are starting with your accounts. So if I'm starting from 1st April, I'll put it as 1st April. Base currency symbol and formal name. So here comes how to, so in previous Tally thing, Tally ERP, we had like, okay, so the company is created successfully. Now we have some more features what we need to do the settings of. So we have the accounting and the inventory thing. So in previous Tally version, that is in Tally ERP, we had like in same option here, but here we have like a different thing. So here we have as accounting and inventory in two separate forms, that we have to maintain accounts. In accounting, yes. Enable bill-wise entry, yes. Then in inventory as well, you have to put it yes. And then if you want GST, if you want to put the GST, if it is chargeable, then yes. And then you have to put the GST information. State Maharashtra, regular. See now here, what is regular and composition? Regular is for the some, it can be for any businesses. Composition, if if you have a huge company or something like that, then and your turnover is above crores, so you have to go for composition. No, GST applicable from the time you applicable your GST in your business, that date you can put your GST number. You can put monthly, quarterly as your wish. GST rate details, no. Enable tax liability on, no. E-way bill applicable, yes. Applicable from invoice value. Threshold limit, I mean the limit of the GST will be 50,000. Applicable for intrastate, yes. Threshold limit 50,000. Invoicing applicable, no. Accept. And it's done. So here you can see your company is created. You can just go to the company, you can create your vouchers, you can add any accounting features and all. If you want to add any accounting feature, you can just go to the feature. If you want to the display reports and all, you can just go to the display thing. Thank you guys. In next session we'll learn something new about Tally.